Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Lady Gaga's face on Dress to Impress. So first, for the skin tone, you're going to want to change it to CC8E and 69. And then let's get started with the face. For the eyes, I used this one right over here, and I colored it 6F684A. For the brows, I used this one over here to the right, the first of the white eyebrows, and colored it CAA284. For the lips, select this one next to this really dark lips, colored 88567. For the contour, I use this one, the second one in the middle. For the eyeshadow, use this one and color it CC8E69. Then use this one in the same color as the first eyeshadow. Then use this one here, and color it F9E8E0. And for the other eyeshadow, I use this one in CC9668. For the nose, you have to go to the mask's faces first. Go to nose and select the second one to the right and color it 9F9F9F. Then you are just going to go to skin and add this one at the bottom, and this is Lady Gaga. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!